Hello Stampers, I am Dina Lanzendorf with Inkin' with Dink, and today I'm super excited to share something with you for my This and That Thursday. So I just received my pre-order today from the new holiday catalog, so I thought it would be really fun to open it right along with you guys so you can see what kind of fun stuff I got. So let's break this open. So I always love that the boxes are full of bubble wrap, especially now that we're going to be moving soon. So need that for packing. All right. So I have this stamp set here, which is called Harvest Hello. And it is the cutest stamp set in that it has these shapes that can be either apples or pumpkins, and it has the little jack-o'-lantern face. Super, super cute. And it even has like a apple slice that you can use it with half of the punch to punch it out. So let me see. There should be, yep, there is my punch to coordinate with it. So love this bundle. It's going to be super fun for fall projects. I have this Cup of Christmas stamp set, and I actually got the dies for this on my incentive trip to Greece. So I had to get this ordered as soon as I could. Now, one of the great things about this new photopolymer stamp set is the cup stamps, okay, are reversible, okay? They are the stamp is the exact same front or back. They feel exactly the same. So when you go to stamp it, you can stamp your cups with one going this way, one going this way, and then cut them out with the framelits. And that way you can have like go chink your cheers with your cups or things like that. So I'm super excited about that one for projects too. I have this stamp set here, To Every Season, and I believe it is, yes, it has some punches coordinating with them. There they are. So it has these fun punches here that coordinate. So there's a bat, there's a snowflake, a leaf, and a heart to coordinate with all these. And I love the sentiments on this one, was the main reason I got it, because I thought they were so fun. But I thought these would really be fun on our new mini curvy keepsake box that I also got because I was so excited that they got it. Let's see if I can find it to show you here. Nope. Not yet. Not yet. So it's in here somewhere, I know, because I ordered it and I'm excited about it. Okay, so we'll get to that. So let's look at some of these other things that we got. All right, so this is an embossing folder that is called Hammered Metal, but I love it. It looks like alligator too. So I think it's going to be really great for masculine cards. Here is Trio of Tags, this one's called. Let me see if I can get this open. Okay, so what this one is, it is the die that has the 3 tags that are attached to go with the stamp set that I used on a project the other day. Let me see if I can find it. Of course not. When I want to find it, I cannot find it. But I used it for a tag I did. I can't show the inside. Called Tags, Tags, Tags. Was a project I did. It was a stamp set. I'll find it somewhere and then show you. But what it is, the stamp actually stamps 3 different tags, and then you cut them out all in one swoosh. So super cute. I also have these, which this one is called Christmas Layers. Oh yes, and it is this one. So it does this whole big like snowflake background, a couple of them. And then you can do these that coordinate and go on top of them. It's really pretty. When you see it in the holiday catalog, you'll go, oh my gosh, I gotta have that one too. So I'm excited about that. And then it's got this little sprig here. Gonna be so fun for Christmas cards. And I think, no, that's not it. I was trying to think if there was a stamp set to go with it, but I can't. All right, this one is called Christmas Cardinal. So I did get this Cardinal stamp set also on the trip, and I loved it and knew one of the first things I needed to get was the coordinating dies for it. I love Cardinals. My team name is the Cardinal Stampers, and this coordinates with the stamp set that's in the catalog. So super cool. I had to have it too. All right, what else we got here? So here's a stamp set called Perfectly Plaid, and this one I actually earned for free. But there is a Christmas tree punch that coordinates with it, so that's gonna be a cool set too. That's gonna be a really popular one. What else do I have in here? So these are the paper pumpkin add-ons for the August kit. Okay, so I had a couple of people that ordered add-ons for their paper pumpkin kits, so I'm super excited about those. Here is the mini curvy keepsake box. So some of you maybe remember a couple years ago we had a big curvy keepsake box, and now they have come out with a mini one. So I'm super excited, and I think it's going to coordinate really great with this 2 every season bundle. Going to be fun. So be watching. I'll probably do a series on these. That's what I did with the big one too. So I'll probably replicate some of them and do a series with the small one. So here is some of the fun ribbon that is in the catalog. So this is what color is that? Garden green double stitched ribbon. So super cute. And this is a curly ribbon. Okay, so it's very cool, and it's real red, and I'm super excited. It's kind of feels like, you can kind of see it there, feels like a yarn is what it feels like. So it's very cool. And then there is this ruched ribbon, which kind of looks gathered, and it's really cool too. Love the ribbons this year. So this is, what is this? Oh, this is our new Crystal Effects. This is a shimmery Crystal Effects. So I was really sorry when they took Crystal Effects away before, but this is how the new Crystal Effects is going to come, is in a bottle like this. And you can kind of see as I turn it, I don't know how well this camera is going to do with it, but it has some sparkly. You can see some glitter in it. So I'm excited to try it out. This is our new puff paint. Okay, so this is going to be what you put on to make it look snowy. It'll puff up. So I'm excited to play with that, so we can start using that in a class for our holiday cards. This is the new copper stamp pad. I was so happy they brought back the metallic stamp pads, and I can't wait to play with that one. Copper is so big right now, so popular. These are the new Toil Tidings glitter enamel dots. Love them, love the red and green. Super excited to play with those. This is a Christmas countdown stamp, and let me show you, this is something I am super excited about, and I'm going to be doing a fun class with it. But this is a new home decor item that we have that makes this holiday countdown. Okay, so I've got a great idea, fun thing in mind for it. So be watching the class I'm going to hold in September, so next month. So be watching, because I've got a super fun idea of a project class I'm going to do with this. So, oh, and so this goes with it, coordinates with it. It has a bunch of, it comes with papers and stuff like that to decorate, and then you use the coordinating stamp set to complete it. So we will be doing a class with that. This is, what is this? Oh, this is our new tag kit. So the Joy of Giving tag kit. Okay, so it's a kit that's going to be making some nice big tags. And they come in, looks like a box, comes with a stamp set and a stamp pad, and then a box, a cardboard box to keep it all in. So be watching for that. I will do a class on that too. And then the last thing I have in here is my new paper. So I am excited about this paper. This is the new Halloween paper that's in the catalog. see if I can get one of these open so we can kind of look at it a little bit. This one is called the Monster Bash Designer Series paper. And you can see it's got all these fun things with tags. Look at the bats in it. The paper that looks like newsprint. Ooh, look at the haunted houses. Love it. This is super cute. Look at the jars. That is fun. So this is, I love this paper. If you like Halloween at all, you gotta have this paper. That is, look at the little people on this page. That's cute. So that's going to be really fun. I have a project in mind for that. So, okay. So that is it. That is what I got in my holiday catalog preview. If you are interested in signing up to be on the Cardinal Stampers team, in your kit, your initial starter kit, you can order items from this holiday catalog. So if you are interested at all, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching.